Hey y'all, it's Shelly. So my parents wanted to add a little bit of flair to their full-size 2023 Ford Bronco. It does have the full four doors on it. It is the full size. They wanted to add some mud flaps. So these will not fit a Bronco Sport. They were only for the full-size Bronco, but they do fit from 2021 to 2024. And the reason why they opted for these was that they don't have any drilling required, so it comes with all the hardware and instructions you need for a quick hassle-free setup without having to make any extra holes in your vehicle. So first thing my dad had to do was unclip the fender flares, so you do have to remove those before you can add the mud flap. So he took the one off the back first, and then he had to install the little clips that came with it. And then once he had those clips in there and secured, then you are putting the brackets that came with the mud flaps into the existing holes on the truck. So again, there's no drilling required. Everything goes into the holes that are already made on the truck. The brackets are different for front and back, so just pay close attention to that when you are installing them. And there's one other spot right underneath that you are going to remove the old bolts or the bolts that are already in your truck so you can mount the rest of the bracket there. But again, there's no extra holes that you have to make. It's all going to line up with the existing holes on the truck. And then once you have everything tightened down, you're ready to install the actual mud flap that's just going to hook right onto the brackets that you've installed onto the truck. And all the hardware you need to install the mud flaps are included with the set. And lastly, once you have the mud flap secured on the truck, you're going to put the fender flare back on, and then just don't forget to turn those clips inside so it stays nice and secure. And that's all there is to it to put on the back one, and you can see how much better it looks. It just adds a little extra security to the Bronco. It is made from a strong ABS material, so it protects your Bronco's paint from rocks, dirt, and road debris. They're really built to handle all kinds of weather conditions. And the next step was to do the same thing on the front, so we took off the fender flare, then you remove the existing bolts on the vehicle. You attach those clips that come with it. Then you add on the plate that is for, or the bracket that's for the front. You make sure that you secure everything down so it's nice and tight. And once you have the brackets on and everything tightened down and secure, you're just going to install the actual mud flap to those brackets and then bolt everything on and make sure it's nice and good. And your last step is to add the fender flare back on and it's ready to go. So we think it looks a lot better with the mud flaps added to this Bronco. They're designed to be low profile and stylish while still offering maximum protection for your fenders. Again, this is for the full size Bronco, either the 2-door or the 4-door. It will not fit the Bronco Sport, but we would definitely recommend these.